And welcome back to Western New York Living. Now that Thanksgiving's come and gone and Christmas is fast approaching, which means a few of you have already decided this is the last year you're going to be entertaining in your less than functional kitchen. Well, don't worry, because we can change that once my next guest is done helping Santa build all his gifts. So be ready to help you with your kitchen remodel. Joining us once again in studio from Ivy Lea Construction, our good friend Mike Washington. Mike, good to see you again.
Yeah, thanks for having us back.
All right, let's talk kitchens because you know, families are growing, right? If they get some new additions to the family and realizing I don't have enough space to hold the meal or cook the meal in the kitchens, well, there's a lot of great ideas you can help them with.
Absolutely. This is a great time of year, actually. You know, right after Thanksgiving, the holidays, people come into your house and you're really figuring out what was working and what isn't for your house, you know. Obviously, the kitchen, it's a focal point of a house. You know, we really talk the hub of the house, that is. You know, people are obviously cooking. They're preparing meals, but they're also using that sometimes as their office, a meeting space. You know, you come to a party the holidays. Where do you always end up standing?
Yes.
You always stand in the kitchen, and you're all congregating around the island or having a drink there, and obviously sharing in food and share and spirit. But that really is the hub of the house. And hey, what do you need to do to fix that up?
I laughed about everybody stays in the kitchen because I shoo people. I have other rooms in the house, but everybody wants to be where the hosts are, and that's where the action is.
Yeah.
In the kitchen. So let's start with design. You have a team that can help them with design.
Absolutely. We're going to come into your house and we're really going to go through the needs and wants for your particular house. What do you need? Our designer Meg's going to get involved, and she does a tremendous job to really listen and then actually put that into play. She'll be able to do full renderings of your house, full renderings of your kitchen, full renderings to actually see what that kitchen's going to look like before we even start to cost it out. Hey, what colors, what textures, what finishes do you like? And then we'll actually get you out to our showroom and actually start to actually pick those out in person so you can feel and touch and make sure exactly what you want.
And you are able to work with people within their budget, right?
Of course, yeah. We do so many kitchens that are soup to nuts. So basically, we'll go in and gut all the way down to the studs, rebuild, put in windows or doors where they're needed. Sometimes taking down walls to make rooms larger, or a lot of people are now taking away a dining room and making that part of their kitchen, their house. They have that open floor plan. Pull all the permits, do all the electrical, all the plumbing, all the insulation, and put it all the way back together. Now, there's also some clients that, hey, they just need some new floors, or they just need new countertops and a backsplash. So we can do any and all.
It's important to note, this is coming from me, not from you, but if your plans call for a wall to be knocked out, don't do that yourself.
It's probably not a great idea. Definitely need an architect involved. You definitely need structure and load calculations done properly, pulling your permits, and then obviously getting the electrical permits done, the plumbing permits done. Those are real important things. Those guys are really out there to help the homeowner to make sure that everyone is doing their job properly.
Well, that's also why you take it down to the studs, right? So you can kind of see the whole picture, what's going on.
Yeah, you can see everything that's going on, and then also to make any changes or improvements. That way you're not just covering something up and leaving it for the future.
All right, I got about 20 seconds. Financing. How can we help them out with that?
Tons of financing. We have some 0% interest for 24 months still. We also have some 4.99 for 140 months. Great plans. We have all sorts of different options. We also have coupons available right now. All sorts of things we can help you out with.
All right, and call to get on the schedule today for Ivy Lea Construction. It's the most trusted name in home improvement. That's for all your exterior and interior needs. And to find out more about all the services they offer, including kitchen and bathroom remodels, head over to their website, ivyleaconstruction.com. You can also give them a call, 875-8654. And remember, as Mike just mentioned there, they do have a lot of great financing options for all of your home improvement projects, including that 24-month 0% financing.